We want San Miguel to feel all the pressure. Dahil wala nang pressure sa amin. Panalo na kami, champion na kami sa saan namin, sa isip namin.
Leadership being the independent team that you take pride of, how will you carry that mantle or
Yun nga, makarating ka lang kasi ng semis. Ibig sabihin nun, meron kang na-bump off na elite na team. Top 4 ka eh. So, pag top 4 ka, independent team ka, merong nalaglag na matinding team talaga. So, that in itself is a source of pride, source of achievement. And then sa akin kasi, future ang ano ko eh. We're playing the long game. This is a long game for us. Hindi kami pwedeng mag-acquire bigla ng talent na magiging tinatawag na game changer sa team namin. We have to develop talent. And this is the way you develop talent. Getting them deep in the playoff, making them experience yung playoffs, yung dikdikan, yung adjustment sa laro, yung game planning, yung emotional toll sa'yo niyan. Kahit hindi ka naglalaro, nakahiga ka lang sa kama, ay stress ka na. So gusto ko maramdaman nila lahat yun. Kasi dun sila gagaling. That's the key element that builds your character. So, yun, ano lang, we're playing as underdogs, we know that. San Miguel pa, the best team in the conference ang kalaban mo. Wala kaming there is no, I don't think there's any pressure on us as we play the 7-game series. We will just play as hard as we can. Yun ang gagawin natin.
You have 6 players in double figures. Hindi pa kasama doon si Caraco and Belga. Which, with that, do you think you have enough firepower to battle against a deep San Miguel team based on the performance?
Tatlong grupo yung first 5 ng San Miguel eh. So wala namang team na may kakayanan sa bayan ng San Miguel eh. So kami pa. So lalaban lang, tingnan lang hanggang saan makarating. Wala kaming pantapat kay Junmar, wala kaming pantapat kay CJ, kay Terence. Pero pahihirapan namin sila. Ganun lang magagawa namin. Pahihirapan namin sila. Kung manalo, kung matalo, kailangan matalo ka na nakataas yung noo mo after the game.
You're not conceding anything po?
We want San Miguel to feel all the pressure. Dahil wala nang pressure sa amin. Panalo na kami, champion na kami sa saan namin, sa isip namin. May konting bonus na, pero sana madagdagan naman, di ba?
Coach, pinahirapan ng Terra Firma yung San Miguel sa quarterfinal series. Are you going to, or have you learned anything from that playbook ng Terra Firma going to the semifinals?
Yes, ang natutunan namin, mahirap talunin ng San Miguel. Hindi mo kayang i-match up yung San Miguel. Kailangan maghanap ka ng ibang paraan para talunin mo yung San Miguel. Kasi tao for tao, wala eh. Experience playoff, wala eh. Sa coaching, ang galing ni George eh. Ang galing ni George dahil assistant ko dati yan eh. Baka may nakuha namang sa akin yan. No? So, resources, malayo. So, I think the series is for them to lose. But we will just be there. We will just hang around.
Follow-up question lang po. You already mentioned how you feel about the series against San Miguel. Pero for your players, Is there a particular matchup na you are actually excited about, lalo best of 7 to, and a matchup that you're most worried about?
I want to see my guards pair against Terence and CJ. I want to see Keith Datu bumping bodies with Junmar. You know. I want to see Bo leading the young guys. Kasi siya yung pinaka-leader namin. I want to see Gabe bringing this team together. Kasi siya naman talaga din yung isang leader pa namin aside from Bo. Yun lang. Sabi ko nga, we're playing the long game. We're playing the long game. It will take 1 or 2 more years before these guys really develop. And then, baka pagka nasa amin pa sila, then pwede tayo mag-usap na siguro panglaban na talaga. Pero, ano lang, lalaban lang kami, baka makachamba pa rin. Baka kung 5% lang yung chance namin manalo, baka matapat sa 5%.
Coach, any chance of Luis Villegas?
Wala. No, wala. 2028 pa mo.
Tapos na kontrata ko.
Does he remind you of any of your past players?
Si Mamo?
This early?
Wala.
Hindi pwede.
Unique ito, ano lang to, isa lang sa mundo tong si...
Unique.
Hindi, magkaiba. Mas gwapo naman si Lord.
Ay, akala ko ako na. Like na.